What's up, everybody? This is Eric Gill Jr. with www.ericgilljr.com, and I would just like to welcome you to Residual Knowledge TV. This channel is where I give off resources and knowledge on how to make money online. So today, I will be talking about 7 steps to becoming an internet millionaire. All right, let's go ahead and dive into it. Alright guys, here we go. So I am not yet an internet millionaire, but learning from several mentors in the online world, they all agreed upon these 7 factors that I'm going to show you today that will help you to achieve that goal. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share. Every day I'm going to be giving out consistent content, so go ahead and do that for me, and it is greatly appreciated. Alright, so number 1 is find a need or problem to solve. That need that I'm going to use in this example would be how to make money online. So it would be I need to find a way to make money online. So number 2 is find or create a solution to the problem. I would always suggest, if you're starting off, to find a solution. And then as you learn from different people who have a solution already created for you, then you can learn how to create on your own. Because sometimes it could be time consuming, and I think that you probably will want to speed up your process of making money online, like real quick. So I would say find a solution to the problem. And you can find a lot of solutions through affiliate marketing programs. And if you look within the body below of my video, I have a couple of those solutions for you. Okay. Number 3 would be to set up a sales system. Now, if you already found a solution or a program to make money online, you really don't need to set up a sales system. But if you haven't, you're trying to create on your own, you need to definitely set up a sales system. And at the end of this video, I will tell you exactly what system that is to do, that you need to set up online to bring in sales. Number 4 is to give away free value. You'll give away free value through YouTube videos. You could give away free value through Facebook, Instagram. Free value basically is something that is used to attract people to you so that they will buy from you. The more content that you give out, the more people will be interested in investing in you. One person who does this a lot is Gary Vee. Gary Vee is, if you don't know who he is, his real name is Gary Vaynerchuk. He just goes by Gary Vee. He has multiple books out. He's on all the social platforms, and he gives out consistent content, free content on the life of an entrepreneur and making money online and stuff like that. He gives away all this free value, and that brings in more people who eventually buy his books, his programs, his systems. Very amazing guy. You should check him out. Number 5 is offer the solution. Now that, let's say you're doing affiliate marketing, like I was saying before, you found a solution, you found a need for the problem, you found a solution, they already have a sales system. Now you offer the solution, and the best way to offer it is like through your YouTube channel, through Facebook, through Instagram, through Snapchat, whatever, solo ads, emailing, all that good stuff. Now you offer the solution to these individuals, because people are always online looking for a second income or an income to replace the income that they have right now. So you're basically advertising, you're marketing yourself, you're getting it out there. And number 6 is follow up. You got to follow up with these people. A lot of people aren't going to buy from you the first time. I'm one of those individuals. If I see something, I will definitely click on it, and I'll look through it, and might be like, oh man, this is great, this is amazing, but I might not want this at this time. But the more you keep sending me emails, and the more you keep retargeting me on different websites, I'll become a little bit more interested to where I'm like, you know what, I need to go ahead and get this. So the money is in the follow-up. And number 7 is make premium value offers. Once you get somebody in, they've signed up under you, or they bought a product from you through your sales system, you should make premium value offers, which is an offer that will help out with the first offer that they bought. This is how you can increase your income. A lot of places do this. I'll give you an example. McDonald's do this a lot. You know, they ask you, do you want to do you want to biggie size that? You know what I mean? Like, so like once you get a meal, they ask you if you want to upgrade it. Same way with online marketing. They ask you, you know, okay, you bought this. This is something else that we have on the side that will increase what you got with the first product. So that's very important. So as a bonus, I'm going to tell you is in regards to the sales system, it's important that you create something called a sales funnel. Also, you need to create this. You need to create this. And a way that you do that is through ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a website, clickfunnels.com. They have a 14-day free subscription. And basically what a sales funnel is, a sales funnel allows you to generate sales and sell your product and service while doing it all on autopilot. Very important. These are 7 steps. Just wanted to brush through it real quick. I'm sorry if I got a little bit long-winded. Just try and keep it under 8 minutes. But 7 steps to become an internet millionaire. I guarantee you, if you follow these steps consistently, that you could be on the road towards that. Now, if you're looking for a system that you want to try out, or a system that will definitely help you become an internet millionaire online, I have a couple systems for you that you could definitely check out. Just click down, click one of the links down below within my bio, and I can get you started with that. And again, thanks for coming to my channel, Residual Knowledge TV, and hope to see you on the other side. Peace.